Class 7, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 8, Internet Services and Applications. So student, let's start this chapter number 8, okay? Class 7, today we are going to start a new chapter. Your chapter name is Internet Services and Application. Okay students? So before starting the chapter, let's start this important name of our websites discussed. Now let's start student. First is a google.com in. So it's a to search information, okay? So next facebook.com, it's a to chat with friends. Third nationalgeographic.com, it's to get information about geographic and explorations, okay? Now next is amazon.in, it's a work in a for online shopping etc. Then ask.com, it's a for searching information etc. So all our website why you would visit these websites on internet, okay? Now next student, start this topic internet services. So student, in the previous class we have learned about a number of services available on the internet and also learned to use some of them practically. So here let us start by knowing about a very popular website called Encyclopedia Wikipedia. So which is created using a web technology called Wiki. So the Wiki technology that allows the creation of collaborative websites. So website created using Wiki technology so allows people an easy platform to create and continuously edit any number of interlinked web pages. So the content of a Wiki websites are not placed by any one individually. So many people contribute to place new content and revise existing content. So in this way the content benefits from the collective knowledge of many contributors. So websites http in .wikipedia.organize. So Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, is most popular wiki based website. So it is vast storehouse of information. So students, other wiki includes an online dictionary, http wiktionary.organization, so online books, http wikibooks.organize, and so many other free learning resources. So student, this is created a Wikipedia. So and founder of encyclopedia Wikipedia is Jimmy Wales, okay? Now next, getting information from Wikipedia. So students, Wikipedia is the largest ever expanding free encyclopedia of knowledge supported by millions users across the world. So we can get information on the virtually any topic of the world using Wikipedia. Here are the steps to use the imaginally useful web services. So student, type http www.wikipedia organize in the address bar of your web browser and press the enter key. So the site will open. Now from the page that appears, select the language of your choice from the drop down list. Then this will open up the home page of Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Now to search for an article on any topic, so type the subject of the topic in the search box and click the search button. Here we have entered quadratic equations. So in the search box, to search for information on the quadratic equation, so the related links may get listed below the search box. So click on the appropriate link. A Wikipedia page showing an article related to the search type will be displayed. Now click on the close button, but after reading the information, to close the web page. So student, you can see properly, this is the Wikipedia search. You can search any result to related of sites, okay? Any link you can search and any information, okay? Now look at this next activity using the search engine website google.com in to get information about some popular personalities. So say Mahatma Gandhi from Wikipedia, okay? So student, you can open the website google.com in your web browser. So in a search box, enter the name of the required popular personality. So click on the search button or press the enter key. Now student, scroll through the search result and find the link that directs you to Wikipedia. Now click on the link to open the Wikipedia page containing information about the said person and collect information about him and her. So look at proper, you can search in this link page opened and you can search any information in this help of a Wikipedia. Okay students. Now next topic is your social networking sites. So let's talk about the social networking sites. You know very well the internet is filled with millions of individuals who are looking to meet other people to gather and share information and experience about their hobbies. So the topics and interests are varied and diverse fights when it comes to online social networking websites commonly used. So websites where people meet online and exchange messages, comments, pictures and videos are called social networking sites. Now student, once we become a member of a social networking websites, we can begin to socialize. So this may include reading the profile pages of other members and possibly even contacting them. So student, remember point, social networking websites functions like an online community of internet users. So let's see about the advantages of social networking sites. So student, all of feel the need to keep in touch with our friends, relatives and get in a touch with more people. So we however have little time to go and visit everyone personally. Okay, so however it is now possible to visit everyone virtually using social networking sites. So these sites have many advantages. So let's discuss one by one point. So you can communicate with your old friends who are members on the same social networking sites. Now, one of the major benefits of these sites is the diversity of people you get to meet as they give access to people from around the world. So this means that even though you are in India, you could develop an online friendship with someone in the United States. Now, not only you can make a new friends, you can also learn about new cultures or even new languages. Okay. Now students, social networks bring people with common interests under one roof and make communication much easier and prompt. And last, this platform also provides options for students to exchange notes, projects, content editing and customization among other things. So it offers them a great potential for e-education. Okay. Now see some important social networking sites. Facebook. Facebook is a social networking site you know very well and you use very well, that started out strictly for college student and was available by invitation only. So now it is a civilizing experience stretching across the global. Facebook is now an undisputable leader amongst social networking sites. So if you use a mobile device like an Android based tablet or a smartphone, we can download the Facebook app from the Google Play Store. Okay, so Mark E. Zuckerberg is the co-founder of Facebook. So he created his website with his 4 other friends. Okay. Now student, next is the MySpace. So MySpace is a social networking website. So that offers an interactive forum to user to share the experience and web blog. So the advantage of MySpace include the ability to upload and share videos, audio and image files as well as given blogging. So blogging however is not the main business of MySpace. So MySpace central focus is social networking. Next is the Hi5. So it's one of the largest social networking sites of the world. So it does not limit our circle of friends to people we know from school or relatives. So with more than 70 million members using it, so we can explore the unlimited possibilities of connecting with people from over the world for free. So now Twitter. Twitter is a website that offers a social networking and microblogging service. Okay, so enabling its user to send and read messages called tweets. So tweets are posted that are text ways having up to 140 characters. So they are displayed on the user profile page. Okay, now see a properly figure of a related. Now next, YouTube. So founded in February 2005. So YouTube allows billions of people to search for, watch, upload and share videos. So the website uses Adobe Flash Video and HTML5 technology to display a wide variety of user-generated video content including movie clips, TV clips and music videos, short, original video, educational video and so on. So now students, searching videos on YouTube. So suppose we want to watch a video explaining the circulatory system of the human body. So this tab, search this video and watch it as follows. First of all, student, type the address of youtube.com in the address bar of your web browser and press the enter key. Then the site youtube.com will open. Then click in search bar at the top of the window and type out the search terms human circulatory system. Then they click on the search button or press the enter key, then several links related to search topic will get listed. Now navigate through the links and click on an appropriate link. So the selected video will start playing in the left pane. Now watch it and learn about this human circulatory system. So similarly you can play other videos as well as, okay. Now student, look at this next part of activity. So do it yourself activity part. So use these tabs given above to watch video on YouTube on the following topics. Now first point is photosynthesis, second transparence in plants, now camel adaptations, fractional distillation of petroleum. Now student, next let's talk about precautions to take while using social networking sites. So remember that safe social networking is the key to gaining easy access to the huge possibilities of a network world. So some precautions must therefore be taken before we start using social networking sites. So first of all, let's start our first point. Use a strong password. First of all, a combination of upper and lower case letters, symbols and numbers. So next, your personal information such as your full name, address, phone number and the routines you have set in your day-to-day life should not be posted on social networking sites. Now while limiting the information you post on social networks, you should check the privacy policy of the various social networking sites. Use only those sites that have very strong privacy settings. So use those settings and make sure that only your friends and the people that you know personally can get to view what you are post. So when you make a new friends, be very careful. This friend may be an innocent person who is very honest, but it could also be a hacker looking for an opportunity to steal your identity or give your computer virus. Now one precaution that can be taken to prevent other from using your photo is to distort your photo a bit. So you can do this by adding little fuse or smearings to the photo. So you do not want your photos to be used by anyone that you do not know, okay. Now you should always have the permission of your family members and friends before you post anything about them. Then students, since it is very difficult to verify a user true identity on the net, so it is best to connect with people known to you, okay. Now you can grow your social circle gradually by connecting to your friends and friends colleges and so on. So do not add an unknown people to your contacts, so they could be stalker. Now next is the blogs. Student, blog is like a virtual diary containing the logs or experience and thoughts of individual or group of people. So with common interests, the word blog comes from the term web blog and consists of a web-based sign and dated log of individual posting. So the blog site www.blog.com provides Indian blogger to place to create and show their blogs. So sarbachchan.tumblr.com is Amitabh Bachchan blog site. So you can see a www.share.com is a blog site that lists contemporary stores and news items. Okay, student. Now next, do you know means comments are an important part of any blog site. So people who visit a blog can comment on contents on its content. In a way, blogs have helped to popularize the practice of commenting across the web, such as commenting on YouTube videos, so Flickrs, photos and on news articles on websites. So how to create a blog? First of all, we can create a blog of your own on the website www.blogspot.com and use it to upload information using the given below. So first step, you create a blog after registering on the websites www.bloggers.com. Now next, second step is click on the start blogging links. Now you can see a properly blogger you blog has been named as it is. Follow the students steps. Now next is third, enter a post. So student, enter a post to publish in your blog allowing reader to comment. Then fourth step, last, click on the publish post button. Now next topic is last, microblogging. Microblogging is also a form of blogging. So a microblog differs from a traditional blog in that its content is typically smaller. So microblogs allow user to exchange small amount of content such as short sentences, individual images or video links. So these small messages are sometimes also known as micro posts. So twitter.com is a famous microblogging website. Pinterest, then Friend, Feed and Tumblr.com are some other popular microblogging sites on the internet. Okay, so this is a microblogging. Now next last activity, say properly and complete in your book. Write answer in the blanks. Then first question, which website functions like online communities of internet users? So is the social networking websites. Then second, name any one video sharing website. It's a YouTube. Then third, messages posted on which website are known as tweets. It's a Twitter. Then which is the most popular social networking website? It's a Facebook. Then last, name a website that helps you create a blog. So it's a www.blogspot.com. So student just completed activity page number 124 in your book. Okay students. Now student, your today's homework is class 7, knowledge about Wikipedia, search it, and social networking sites, YouTube, precaution to take while using social networking sites. Okay, search any information through Wikipedia, and to network social networking sites, to aware precaution to take while using social networking sites. Okay students.